DeepSeek LLM is a powerful open source language model that has garnered attention for its strong performance across various NLP tasks. It stands out for its efficiency, its ability to handle long context lengths, and its readily available open source weights. By installing it locally, you can leverage its capabilities for tasks like text generation, translation, code completion, and more, all within the secure confines of your own computer. Installing DeepSeek on your computer as an Unity 3D Windows application. Install Ollama from ollama.com. Go to Models page and select DeepSeek R1. From the DeepSeek model page, select the default 7B model and copy the run command arguments. Open command window and run the command Ollama run DeepSeek R1. This will pull the DeepSeek R1 model and required libraries and install those in the local computer. Once the installation finished, check DeepSeek by typing hello and wait for its response. Running LLMs locally, especially DeepSeek LLM, empowers developers and researchers with greater control, privacy, and cost effectiveness. By embracing local installations, you can unlock the full potential of AI and build innovative solutions without the limitations of cloud-based services. The DeepSeek model will run locally at /localhost 11434. Open Unity and start a new 2D game. Here, nothing fancy. Just create a Text Mesh Pro text field, a text input field, and a button. If require, add scroll view UI elements for Text Mesh Pro field. Create an empty object and attach a monobehavior C# script. The code is straightforward. A JSON data is sent to DeepSeek model with Unity's web requests, and the response from DeepSeek is formatted to the Text Mesh Pro field. Finally, the Unity scene can be compiled to run as Windows standalone application. Why run DeepSeek LM locally? Privacy and security. Cost savings. Offline access. customization and control, reduced latency, experimentation and learning. You are free to perform some fine-tuning to get your model to do exactly what you want. As technology continues to advance, local LLMs are poised to play an increasingly important role in the future of AI development. Unleash the power of AI locally. Thank you for watching. See you in another session.